Hello. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your IDLE is working properly. And this is probably the first thing you want to learn is how to print. This gives you feedback. One thing you could do is print 3 plus 2. This should give you 5. Gives you 5. Also, you could even type in things, right? Does that work? No. So to print out strings, which I'll teach you more about later, you gotta put them in quotes. Okay. So as a practice, I want you to put your name here. So how would you do that? You would type in print parenthesis quotations, and then you type in your name right here. Okay. I'm gonna type my name in. See, output's Isaac. So yeah, that's the first thing you want to do when you first install Python. In the next video, I'll talk to you guys about arithmetic operators and operations, and that's going to be very important for you moving forward. For now, yeah, just print stuff, have the computer talk to you back. It's pretty cool. I don't know. Print hello world. I think that's like everyone does when they first get when they first start programming, they type in hello world. Yep. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave in the comments section, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.